That was a little sketch. Alright, so there's generally never anybody out here with a hardtail. So it just makes landings really hard. So you got to make sure you hit the landings right. Alright, now for the challenge of the day. Go through these whoops, hit the berm, and see if we can clear that next tabletop. That's the challenge for today. We'll see how far we get. Off of this, grab your brakes into that berm, and then hit this baby. Oh yeah. Boom! And clear that. Oh. So come up that and clear this sucker right here. Right there. And you have to clear this one in order to clear that one. If you don't clear this one, you won't have the speed to clear that one. So that is today's goal. We're gonna see how far we get. I think we've hit about a couple feet or a bike length from the end here so far. So we're gonna see if we can clear this. I'm getting really good at hitting the hard spots or casing it on this flat top right here, but we're gonna see what can happen. Front tire almost made it. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Yeah. All right, you hit the landing zone with a hardtail, and you get a smooth landing. We got this baby dialed. Nice. Let's see. Now we'll have the speed to clear that one. This thing's a beast, but I don't know if we won't work on that today. Maybe we'll give it a shot, see what happens. All right, what do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4.5 bike lengths. 4.5 bike lengths for this to clear this. Let's do it. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby, we got this. Woo! That was a little sketch. One more we got. Almost there. All right. Technically, I say that I made that. I had to push it over the lip right here just to make it over the edge. But once we get this thing dialed in, then we'll get around to where we want to attempt this thing. But my balance is screwed up a little bit. So I hit that And I don't have enough speed coming off that one. I got enough speed now to just basically roll that one. I got speed to carry over that one. This one I don't have enough speed, so I actually have to give it some legs. But when you give it some legs, you gotta have some balance and get your balance right. So I had my balance off a little bit a couple times. So getting my balance dialed so I can get some legs into it to get over this thing is the key. Yeah, yeah.